Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening and assembling Lego Polybag 11951, which is in issue 14 of the Lego Explore magazine, which actually has the theme is endangered animals. The build is a Lego Orangutan. There we go. That's the build. This magazine is about all the animals this time, and in the next issue you're building it's about energy, and you got like windmills, which looks quite interesting. So basically this magazine is about animals, so if your kids like the animals, this will be the one to try and get hold of. I'll just cut this bag off carefully. Open the bag up. Oh, this is what the bag looks like. That's what the build should look like as well. It does look like it's got actual moving parts in this one, which is quite cool. Or intentional moving parts, anyway. We'll go to the instructions. We start off with a dark red 4x2, one of these, and 2 double lamp pieces. Been using these pieces a lot in the Daily Bugle build. So, and we got a couple of these upside down roofing pieces in the dark red. So we've got those 2 on there like that. Now we've got a couple of these, of the grey 2x1 ball joint pieces. And the ball joints are on the side of the brick, like that. And we've got a 2x2 brick, which goes on the top, and 2 2x1 flat studded. They go on like that, as you can see. Then we got some 2x1 ball joint pieces, but the ball joint pieces is at the narrow end, and a and a 2x1. That bit goes on there like so. That's what it looks like so far. Next we've got a black 3x2 right angled piece like this. This bit goes on this bit here, and you get a couple of the smaller dark red roofing pieces. They'll go on there like so. It does look a bit like a spaceship at the moment, it has to be said. Now we have a red 2x2 flat, and the red stepped angled curve piece like that. That goes on the back here. Like so. Next we make the back legs, which is one of these, so we need 2 legs, so we're going to need 2 of these pieces here. They're like grey pieces with a female ball joint. A grey one piece, grey flat studded one piece, one of those. Then we have 2 of these dark red curved pieces. They go on like that. As you can see, they move as well, which is quite cool. Now we've got to put some bits on the side, so I've got to make sure I get the right piece for this. So it's one of these and one of these, which is like a paw, but it's not being used as a paw in this case. That goes on there like that to show the fur. Quite a clever design. You've got to do the same on the other side. Make sure I do this the right way round. So there we go, we've got the bits on both sides now. Next we've got to start making the arms. So we start off with a red 2x1, a grey eyelet piece like that, a red piece like that, then we flip that over, got a ball joint piece which goes on there, and an upside down and a black upside down curved roofing piece. Which goes on like that, and then that arm goes on like that. So that's our orangutan so far. Got to do the other arm now. So we start. This is pretty much the same, but it's like opposite way round. Flip that over. The ball joint goes on the bottom, and the upside down curved roofing piece goes there. And that goes on there like that, and there we have our orangutan in its position. It's got massive arms, so I think we're making the face now. So we start off with a mini angle piece, a fur/paw. Do quite like some of these bricks they're integrating in now. Then we have another one of these bits that goes on there. A grey 2x1 goes there. A 4x2 in red goes on top like that. Then we've got some grey semicircle pieces. They're sometimes used as watermelon or pizza pieces, pizza slices. Then we have a 2x1 goes on the top, and then we have 2 eyes. Try and make him not look cross-eyed. I do like these eye pieces, they are quite clever. Then you have a 2x1 flat piece with a stud in the middle like that. That makes his face, does look quite cool. Then you attach his face on there, and there we have our orangutan. It doesn't look too bad for the price. So it's got a few spare pieces there as well for additional details. You can't really make him stand up properly, unfortunately, because of the angle of the head. But I think you could do something with that if you use like a swivel bit on this front bit here. Get one of the angle bricks. They are quite good. They are quite cool. But nice. It's got a nice little bit of movement. It's a nice little build. It's a nice, clever little build, really. And you could probably integrate it into your Lego. I could. I mean, I could if I had Lego sets. You could integrate into maybe the giant monkey or something like that. It does look quite cool. I do kind of like it, and I will definitely be keeping it. If you did that, you could give him a third eye as well. Because I've got a spare eye as well. But that's another video. So. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. I'd like to thank my regular subscribers on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much for your continued support, and I hope it continues. If you have any comments or feedback regarding this video, do feel free to leave them at the end of the video, and I'll try to give you a mention on one of my upcoming videos. Stay safe, keep building, and hope to see you in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching.